Let's see how we can turn on auto ads and auto optimize on our website in Google AdSense. So to do that, we have to log in our AdSense at first. Then we have to click here, Ads tab, select this pencil icon and make sure this auto ad is turned on. Then click here, intent driven format, give a tick mark here and click here, apply to site, then save. Then you have to select here auto optimize, click here auto optimize, select apply to site. So in that way you can turn on auto ads and auto optimization.